Welcome back to our grammar lessons. This week we're going to look at common and proper nouns. But first we need to know what is a noun. You've probably known this for a long time. It's a person, place, thing, or idea. As you can see, the person, place, and thing examples you probably already know. But in the idea examples, this is where we're getting into our new 6th grade content. So an abstract idea might be something like freedom, curiosity, creativity, happiness, or holidays like Columbus Day or the 4th of July or Christmas, or even things like similes and metaphors. Idea examples aren't necessarily something we can hold in our hand or something we can see, but we know what they are. So they are nouns. Now this week we're going to distinguish between two different types of nouns. We're going to distinguish between common and proper. Common nouns are not specific. They are lowercase, such as restaurant, chocolate, car, subject, lizard, country, building, singer, laptop, and movie. Proper nouns, on the other hand, are very specific. They're naming that one specific person, place, thing, or idea, and they always begin with a capital letter. So for a restaurant that is a common noun, a proper noun might be Subway or McDonald's. You might see on singer, which is a common noun, the proper noun would be Taylor Swift or Justin Bieber or Adele. Those would have capital letters. Take just a few seconds and look between the two lists so that you know the difference between them. So now what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can tell the difference between a common and proper noun. So bridge, that's just any bridge. It's not specific, so that makes it a common noun. Notice that it was not capitalized. Main Street, oh, that's naming a very specific street. It's capitalized, proper noun. Queen Elizabeth, capitalized, naming a very specific person, proper noun. Dogs, those could be any old dogs. That's just a common noun. Pizza Hut, that's naming a very specific type of restaurant. It's capitalized, so it's proper noun. A writer, well, that's a specific job, but it's not saying a specific person. It's just any writer. And it's not capitalized, that's a common noun. River, that could be any river. It's not capitalized, common noun. Okay, now we're going to see if we can find the common nouns in the sentence. One day I was driving down the street in my Kia when suddenly I saw a squirrel dart across the road. Okay, let's see if you can find them as fast as I can. Day, street, squirrel, road. So how many are there total? There's 4. Now can you find the other noun? This noun would be a proper noun. Kia, absolutely. It's a very specific type of car. Okay, now we're going to go and try to figure out if we can find all the proper nouns in the next sentence. So remember, these proper nouns are specific and they should be capitalized. That's a pretty big clue. Cooper and George went to Applebee's with their parents on Tuesday evening. We have Cooper, George, Applebee's, and Tuesday. So again, this sentence has 4 proper nouns. Now there are 2 other nouns in this sentence. Can you find them? We have parents and we have evening. Both of those would be common nouns. Okay, so I hope you know the difference between a common and proper noun. Common is not specific, it's just any noun, and it's not capitalized. A proper noun, on the other hand, is capitalized, and it's talking about a very specific thing. See you next week.